Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to the channel Nursing and Midwifery Innovation Program. I am Fatema laboni, student of Nursing and Midwifery College, Bogura, Diploma in Midwifery, first year. Today I am presenting here the anatomy of the heart, including the subject of anatomy and physiology. This is heart. The heart is a roughly cone-shaped hollow-muscular organ situated in the middle mediastinum of the thoracic cavity that pumps blood to the body. It is a part of cardiovascular system. This is the anatomical positions of heart. Now I would like to explain the external features of the heart. The heart has an apex, the base, three surfaces, its sternocostal surface or anterior surface, diaphragmatic surface or inferior surface, and left surface, and three borders, the left border, right border, and inferior borders. The heart, apex of the heart. It is a conical formed by the left ventricle. Base of the heart. It is the most fixed part of the heart. Base is formed by two atria. The four pulmonary head or enter the left atrium, and the superior and inferior vena cava enter the right atrium. Surfaces of the heart. Sternocostal surface or anterior surface. It is mainly formed by the right atrium and right ventricle. Diaphragmatic surface or inferior surface. This surface is flat and faces downward backward. It is from 2/3 of the left atrium and 1/3 of the right atrium. Left border. It is directed upward, backward, and to the left. It is formed mainly by the left ventricle. Borders of the heart. Heart has mainly three borders: the right border, the left border, and inferior border. The right border. The right border is round, convex, and it is formed mainly the right atrium. The left border. The left border is mainly formed by the left ventricle and inferior border. It is nearly horizontal and extends from the opening of the inferior vena cava to the apex of the heart. Now I would like to explain the internal features of the heart. The heart is mainly composed of three layers of tissues. It's endocardium, myocardium, and pericardium. The two atria separated from a vertical septum called interventricular septum. The right atrium communicates with the right ventricle through the right atrioventricular orifice, which is guarded three cups, and it's called tricuspid valve. The left atrium communicates with the left ventricle through the left atrioventricular orifice, which is guarded by two cups, is called mitral valves. Chambers of the heart. The heart has four chambers. It's the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. The right atrium is the right upper chamber of the heart. It receives venous blood from the whole body. The right ventricle. The right ventricle is a triangular shape, and it receives blood from the right atrium through the right atrioventricular valve. The left atrium. It receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins. And the left ventricle, it is a conical shape, and it is longer than the right ventricle, and it receives the oxygenated blood from the right atrium through the left atrioventricular valve. Now I would like to explain the blood circulation of the heart. The right atrium receives the oxygenated blood to the whole body by the superior and inferior vena cava. The blood flows the right atrium to the left atrium through the right atrioventricular valve, and the right ventricle pumps it to the aorta, to the pulmonary trunk. The oxygenated blood comes from the lungs through the four pulmonary veins in the left atrium, and the left atrium pumps the blood through the left ventricle through the left atrioventricular valve, and the left ventricle pumps the blood to the whole body by the aorta, and this is also called systematic circulation. Now I would like to conclude my presentation. In my presentation, if I have any mistake, please forgive me and please subscribe our channel. Thank you all.